Is Samsung TV an Android TV? No, Samsung TVs are not Android TVs. Instead of running on Android TV OS, Samsung Smart TVs use Tizen OS, a custom operating system developed by Samsung. While both Tizen OS and Android TV offer smart features and app support, they have key differences in their interface, app stores, and customization options. 1. What operating system does Samsung TV use? Samsung TVs run on Tizen OS, which is designed to be fast, simple, and user-friendly. Unlike Android TV, which is powered by Google, Tizen OS is Samsung's own platform, optimized for their TVs. 2. Can you install Android apps on a Samsung TV? No, Samsung TVs do not support Android apps because they do not run on Android OS. Instead of the Google Play Store, Samsung TVs use the Samsung Smart Hub, where you can download apps like Netflix, YouTube, Amazon Prime Video, Disney Plus, Spotify, Apple TV, and Samsung TV Plus smart home apps and gaming services. 3. Differences between Samsung TV and Android TV. Operating system. Samsung TVs use Tizen OS, while Android TVs use Google's Android TV OS. App Store. Samsung TVs have Samsung Smart Hub, whereas Android TVs use Google Play Store. Voice assistants. Samsung TVs support Bixby, Alexa, and Google Assistant, while Android TVs mainly use Google Assistant. Customization. Android TV allows APK sideloading and more customization, while Samsung's Tizen OS is simpler but more limited. 4. Can you convert a Samsung TV into an Android TV? If you want Android TV features on a Samsung TV, you can. Connect an Android TV box like NVIDIA Shield or MyBox. Use Chromecast with Google TV for Android-like experience. Screen mirror or cast from an Android phone to access Android apps. 5. Should you choose a Samsung TV over an Android TV? If you want a fast, simple, and smooth smart TV experience, Samsung's Tizen OS is a great choice. However, if you need Google Play Store access and deeper customization, an Android TV might be better. Samsung TVs are not Android TVs, as they run on Tizen OS instead of Android TV OS. While they do not support Android apps, they offer a smooth, smart experience, voice assistants, and a variety of apps through Samsung Smart Hub.